here's the end result. Just want to show you guys. It's a nice blue flame. Some orange at the tip, but not a whole lot. This now starts without making a blast. Put it to the test, put it off to pilot. I'm gonna put it back to high. There it is. Turns out really nice, no fluttering. Now, probably most of you are asking, well, how did you achieve that? Well, if you've taken the burner out, you guys know exactly how it looks. It's a box inside. Essentially what I did, I took out the box out and cut the tube where the gas is fed, and pretty much I welded one of these. I had these saved, so essentially this piece, I took this piece off. I was trying something but didn't quite like it. Anyhow, essentially the tube where the gas is fed, from there on the inside, this piece is welded nice and flush along the side here, all around, so it's all connected. So essentially the flame is, this is on the inside, it's like this, and the flame is just coming up. So I'm pretty sure you can take a different type of burner, even a round, a 5-6 inch, as long as you have a nice connection between the tube there into whatever type of burner you should be fine. But yeah, got rid of the fluttering and the pop. Hope this way helps, guys.